Hi coffee lovers, check out this Espresso Shot Glass 3-ounce triple pitcher with double spouts and a pouring handle for easy use. Each glass measures 2.83 inches in diameter and 2.36 inches tall, perfect for precise espresso shots. Made from premium clear, thick-walled borosilicate glass, it is heat-resistant and durable. The pitcher features graduated marks in ounces and milliliters for accurate measurement. Its double spouts allow for convenient pouring without spills, ideal for baristas and home use. The comfortable handle ensures a secure grip while pouring. Enjoy crafting perfect espresso shots with this stylish and practical glass set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.